Good morning, everybody. It is such a beautiful fall day, and I just wanted to come on and say hi and ask you what you are doing on this glorious day that brings you joy. So many of you know that one of my most favorite things to do is spend time with my dog Mason, and we've been trying to get out every day for a walk in nature because not only is it quality time for us, but walking in nature really does have an effect on my mood. And maybe it's the sun too, but I just love being in nature. I am so grateful for where I live. Central New York is beautiful this time of year. So I have a question for you. What are you doing today that brings you joy? What are you doing today that brings you into nature? And how does it transform your life? What do you get out of it? For me, I just get a deeper connection to myself and my puppy and all the good feels in life. So I hope that you guys are doing something special today too. Let me know.